Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. So in this video we're going to create a Italian restaurant website. So hope so you can check this website, and I will also give you a descriptions area link so you can check out how your website look like. Okay, so here you can check, we have the logo, we have the menu, and we have the reservation button also. And in the sections we have like a about page, we have menu, we have the contact page. If someone want contact, so anyone can click directly the contact. And here we have the also the information related to the form, and of course the any inquiry, any informations anyone needs, so definitely they can contact directly. And here we have the locations area, so we have the put it where the address is there. Okay, so and also we have the given the footer in buttons, I mean we have the given the contact number, so anyone can contact directly to the reservation sections. Yeah, so I'm going to show you here. Here the home sections, whatever we have. Here we have the banner, and top, in the banner top basically we have the text, and here you can change whatever you need. Okay, so whatever kind of restaurants you have, you can, of course you can change from here. And look here, we have given the one sections here for the two images and one side for the welcome. So basically suppose any offer is ongoing, so you can put here like our section. So we have put it the Monday to Saturday 9 p.m. to 1 p.m. here, Saturday and Sunday we have the 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. something. You can put whatever offer is going on. Okay, here menu sections, you can check here 1 2 3 and 4 something, whatever menu you need. Of course the price is also mentioned there, so user can of course check from the website, and they can directly contact to you, and they can also book the for the via the phone, or also they can submit the form. So here the happy testimonial sections we have put up here, happy customers. So and reservation section here. So let me show you the menu. So this is the menu basically, so you can put whatever famous in your restaurant, and whatever you're going to make something you can put here only. So same here, we have the pizza options, we have the pasta, and here also platter, and 6 tasty launch here, so you can put here amazing the website. We're going to create this website for you, and only under 2000 rupees only. Okay, about section you can check here where the mention about the section. So yeah, here where the shape they are going to make. And here restaurant amenities, 24 into 7 Wi-Fi zones, amenities and smoking zone, live music, parking, this function and these features basically are providing to the customer. And here you can also check the recommendations by the Google. Here whatever you have like Google recommended by Google, so you can put the sections for the Google recommendations, any kind of whatever you need. So of course you can put in the recommendation sections. Here the contact page also I already you seen that. So how you can create, I'm going to show you. First of all, you need to go here domain register, and here you can check the website domain. You can check, suppose you have any kind of, I'm going to put Indian hotel. Yeah, so by indianhotel.com. so you can check here the no, I'm going to provide you the INR. Yes, we have the INR options also is there. So just click on the INR, and again we need to put here Indian hotel. Click on the add a cart. So once you click on the add to cart, here you can also buy the shared hosting plan, basic, personal. And suppose I'm going to use the personal one because we have the unlimited space, so I just selected the second one. And you need to click on the continue button, DNS management, IP protection, and just click on the continue button and check out. So look, we need to pay 2028 rupees. So once you completed this successfully, then what I basically I have the login credentials. So if you don't have, of course you need to create, and of course you can buy the from the domain registrar. After successfully purchase, you need to go click on the login section. Of course you have created the login sections also. We have the services here. Click on the services, click on the active section, and now here after click on the login to cPanel. After the login to cPanel, you need to search WordPress in, look here, then click on, I'm going to remove this one, my apps. Remove. return to overview. This is successfully done. Click to return to overview. Again click on the install section, remove this one. 5.8 is version latest. You need to put here password, whatever you're going to create. I'm going to put my password. Okay, you need to put your email ID here. Okay, then just click below, just click on the installation process. Yeah. Click on the home page and click on the admin page. Look, this is the home page basically. Click on the dashboard, click on the themes, click on add new. Here you need to search Astra. Click on the install button. Basically this installation process will little bit time, so don't worry about it, just keep patience, that's it. So finally this is successfully installed. Then click on active button. After your theme active, what you need to do, click on the Astra option, click on the install importer, click on Elementor, click here, select free, search hotel. We're going to select this one. Click on the import complete site. Click on the skip button. Now look, the themes already installed. So how you can customize now? You can customize your theme. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can customize the theme. Just click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, and suppose you need to change the menu, just click on the customize. This process is really easy and you can control your website from your side only. Okay, and also if you need any extra support, you can contact me. I will complete your task whatever you're going to work. Okay, so here let me click again the Elementor settings. I'm going to click here. Here we have the options like this one. If you need any customizations in the menu bar, just click here, and of course you can control your primary menu if you have. Look, so this is the things you can control from there only. Okay, so I will show you how you can change this from your side only. If you need logo, you can click here and you can change the logo. Again, just click below, and here I'm going to show from the Elementor. Look here, so suppose if you need to change this one like text, click on here, and of course you can change from here. Same things you can change here, also you can change from here. Okay, so after the changing any text, suppose I'm going to put here wines, so you can need to update here. Same things like okay, so look again back, click on the update, and you need to change here something like title, you can change here, description you can change, image units, so of course click on the image and you can change from here. So this is process to complete the website. Yeah, here more text here. If you want to link particular, so you can put here only. Yeah, menu sections we have, and if you need anything changed from the here, so you can of course control from the your side. Suppose price you want to update, click here, and of course you want to change this one, of course you can do that from your side. And same things here, if you need to change this button, of course you can change like here. You need to put discover the entire, of course you can put here whatever name you need. Okay, again you need to put here same things here, you can change from there. So hope so now you can understand how you can control this website. Testimonial section, you can click here and you can update. So this is really nice. And where you will stick, I'm going to explain you. Suppose contact section, let me go inside the dashboard. I know where you will stick, so I'm going to explain you first of all. So first is contact page. So how you can customize the contact page? So of course using Elementor you can customize, but this form, how this form will work and where you get the email. Okay, so here I'm going to dashboard, and here you need to click on the WP forms, and here the sort code, you need to implement this code, basically implemented on this section. And now let me go here and click on the SMTP section. Once you clicked on, you need to install this plugin. Also I'm going to put the below link in the description only, you can check from there and you can customize from yourself only. Okay, yeah, so this is done from my side. And if you need any post something, you can of course post, and if you need any create, of course you can create any pages. Elementor is here, and hope so this is fine. I'm going to click on the menu section, and anything you want to change from menu, of course you can change from. If you want to change this menu, of course you can control from there only. Okay, we have the primary menu, it's selected from here primary. So yes, this way you can control the website. Okay, and if you need any help, put your comment below. Definitely I will try to explain you another way. Thank you for watching this video.